Hey friends, if you encounter the installation failed error with the error code 0xC19001-0x20006, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is obviously to check the disk space. I'll tell you why. Because if the disk space is low, then you will not be able to install new programs or even the operating system or any new device associated with the operating system. So check that there should be sufficient space in the system, and if there is not sufficient space, then perform a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. Okay. The next solution is to make sure that the disk drive drivers are up to date. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, and then you can expand the list of disk drive drivers. Right click on it and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to update the system's BIOS. So open the browser and let's say you have an Asus computer, so search for Asus drivers. If it is Dell, Lenovo, HP, you can search for it accordingly. Then go to Asus Download Center for Asus and Dell, HP, Lenovo's own website for their respective drivers. Now search for the model number. Okay, and then select the model number here. Click on drivers and tools and wait for it to load. It needs a while to load. So once it is loaded, you can go to the BIOS and firmware tab, and this also needs a while to load, so you will wait till it loads. And once it loads, we can download the BIOS. Click on download and then click on open here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.